Aprilia has earned a reputation for building machines that feel engineered with intent, and the 2026 RSV4 Factory proves once again why the brand sits at the top of the performance world. This model shows Aprilia's commitment to precision, racing heritage, and continuous refinement in a class that never stops advancing. The 2026 RSV4 Factory carries the familiar 1,099 cubic centimeter V4, but Aprilia has tightened every detail around it. The throttle response feels sharper, the mid-range punch is stronger, and the revised cooling system keeps the bike more stable during repeated high-load runs. The aerodynamic wing design has been reshaped for better downforce without adding drag, which helps the chassis stay predictable during aggressive corner entries. Riders will immediately notice how the front end feels more planted, especially under late braking, where stability matters most. Aprilia's APRC electronics suite receives a meaningful upgrade as well. Traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking, and the updated quick shifter now respond with more speed and accuracy. The revised IMU communicates data faster, giving the system better clarity about lean angle, acceleration forces, and wheel slip. For riders, this translates into more confidence when pushing the bike at track pace or carving through technical roads. The chassis keeps its compact feel, but gains small stiffness adjustments that make direction changes smoother and more predictable. The Öhlins Smart EC suspension reacts with more subtlety, adjusting in milliseconds to match the rider's input. Combined with Brembo-style brakes, the RSV4 Factory feels balanced, controlled, and ready to exploit its full potential. The 2026 RSV4 Factory isn't just an update. It's a focused evolution of one of the most respected superbikes on the planet, crafted to deliver a cleaner connection between rider and machine. Power that feels alive. Engineering that earns respect every time the engine fires.